Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you're well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to make disappearing message in WhatsApp account. So let's start it. At first open your WhatsApp account. Now click. Now open WhatsApp account. Now choose from friends. Now select. Then open the message, the profile. Now make disappearing message. Now go into the menu option and three dot. Now click and click from disappearing message. Disappearing message in 24 hours and 7 day and 90 days. Now select from 24 hours. Now click default. That it. Let's check the disappearing message in WhatsApp account. Now update your disappearing message. Default timer. Now click OK. That it. I can say now this video make disappearing message in WhatsApp account is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for